Today's Big Little Recipe is an extra special edition. It comes from Uyen, who is a cookbook author, food photographer, and supper club host. Today, she is going to be sharing a gorgeous recipe from her new cookbook, Vietnamese. It is just about the prettiest ice cream I have ever seen, and you only need 4 ingredients to make it. So take it away, Uyen.
Thanks, Emma. This is Vietnamese, simple Vietnamese food to cook at home. I'm going to be showing you how to make Pandan ice cream, which is a recipe from my desserts chapter. So I'm going to get some Pandan leaves. I love Pandan leaf. And then using a pair of scissors, just cut it along about 10 centimeters or so, roughly. It doesn't really matter. And then when you're done, just separate the leaves, just so that when you wash it, it gets a good washing. Just going to wash the leaves. Give it a good rinse. They're all stuck together as well, so try to separate them. Just drain it off. And now we just put it into the blender. Just throw it all in. Coconut water. Pour all of that in and whisk it up. So now we can make the extraction. Just open the lid and get a sieve and a bowl and just pour everything into the sieve. Just squeeze out all the juice so it's nice and dry, and then just throw it away. So now I'm going to need to wash the blender because we need to use it again. So in your clean blender, just pour in the pandan extract and then the condensed milk, a good dollop, and then the cream. And then all you have to do is just whisk it up. And now we just need to pour it into a lovely container. And then we can stick it in the freezer. So put a lid on it and put it in the freezer for about 2 hours. Mash it up with a fork and then return it for a few more hours and it's ready. Or if you have an ice cream maker, just whip it in that. Here is one I made earlier. Look at that. So good. This is so good.